In a world where excellence is not just required, but demanded, where perfection is promised, but rarely delivered, where one phone must be all things to all people. Consumer, professional, warrior.
That was a bit much, wasn't it? Hi guys, welcome to Xperia Tips. I'm Dom, and today we're going to do something slightly different. You see, the Xperia One has actually got two modes, a standard mode and a creator mode. And they both use the amazing technology in the Xperia One, which is the world's first 4K HDR OLED display in a smartphone, but they kind of use it in two different ways. So, think of this like a choose your own adventure kind of thing. You can either go for standard mode or creator mode. Which one do you want to go do first? I mean, let's face it, you'll do both of them at some stage. I hope. Standard, creator standard. Which one? You're in control. You decide. Betting ends. No, I should probably end there.